What's up, Dude Paracles and Dude Paramites? Welcome to Mix TV, where music is played at its best. I am your host for today, VJ Cat, and today we're gonna learn about the true meaning of life. So sit back and enjoy this interview. After VJ Cat, we're kind of understaffed today, so ako na rin mag-i-interview kay Flo. Flo's mom works in abroad as a domestic helper. Hello, Flo.
Hi sa mga viewers. Mayang gabi sa inyong tanan.
Okay. So, ano ba feeling ng yung mom mo na nasa abroad? Ano nararamdaman mo?
Well, syempre, mahirap. Lalo na ako, only child. Tsaka, syempre, bata pa lang ko, wala yung father ko. Tapos, nagpunta si mama sa abroad. Ang hirap kasi imagine, years bago kayo nakita ulit. Dalawang graduation ko lang siya wala, college lang siya nakaka-attend. So parang, andun yung kalungkutan. Pero, isipin mo na ginagawa na rin yung para sa inyo. At somehow, relax mo.
Pero may isa pa ang question, sir. How would you describe the true meaning of life? I mean, is it job? Or is it money? Is it family? Friends?
Well, actually, marami. Nandiyan pera, syempre. Kung sa world, parang pera, family, friends. Kumbaga, surrounded ka ng ganyan eh. Hindi ka mabubuhay ng walang pera. Syempre, parang makakain. Pero ang bottom line nun, syempre, importante pa rin yung relationship mo at guys. Kumbaga, money, family, friends, part din ng life. Pero, life is worthless without friends.
Wow, nakaka-touch naman yung sinabi ni Flo. Thank you, Flo, for the interview and for the time. What's up? That was our interview with Flo. Now we have learned that yes, it's true that family and friends are important and money cannot compensate love and care. But it is also true and very important for us to remember that life without Christ is worthless. Thank you. This has been me, VJ Cat, for Mix TV, where music is played at its best. Here is the next song.